Goni ha nalagi kuna gade kotule pom pokwa le ul hakol playa poko kele tau shege shawalo to go da o mi shope kuna gade ne ge ni nya ik mewe da la march ki khu sa ki to ki chi khun la da ke mewe da three ko lo we da kwi so no three ko lo da kwi so ki to no ya khu chi je ne la do ta ki le pe do te sko we han ne no awe pa ka ma lo sko ba ka ta wo sa ka da ke ra sa kle di le po ko po se de pa pu ba nya sa noအခုနေတော့မေဝဒအီရာဒအစ္စရေးတာဂီခိုင်နေလားနော်ခုတော့တနင်္ညာဟနေတာတာဂီမပါနေပကမလောဘခါရတော့အစ္စရေးဒအီရာအကဟက်တူဝဒချူတတဲစကွာချောင်းခုနေဒီလေနေတော့ဘကကနာစကောဒါမလောစကောလေဟာရကတော့နာရဝနေလားကိုရထွေတယ်ပနီလာတက်ကိုရတာဝနေပစောက်တူရကွဲမကေကောဆူလေခုနမပါစလာသမာတိပုစကောပခဲလက်ခချေချူကောဆူလေဒါရရှိရီကစလေရှဆက်တဲ့တော့အသောတဘလိုင်းနေလားPagkalewat chu tamalo sokon ni lah. Nah pagkalewat chu tamalo sokon. Pagkalewat chu tamalo sokon. Kau ni dah nah. Pagkalewat pakau je dah BP sepo. Pagkalewat dah little bit sepo. Okay, nah. Pagkalewat sarah lah.
Introduction. The world changed very quickly in just 3 days.
Nó tới đó họ khôi cho tới là sắp phát lên nha, là sắp sắp đọc bún này, nó đã cho tới là sắp phát lên nha.
It began with high tension between the United States and Iran.
Nó vậy cái đó vậy đã khá là đặc biệt chấp phát chủ khá là Iraq vậy là America bây giờ này là.
Many people around the globe were watching the news closely.
Nó họ khôi đó tập lên nha này đó vậy pay vậy là qua vậy là ta nó qua đó ta có sọ qua vậy là TV này very closely là không đó qua lúc qua vậy là ta cái ta luôn khai nóมันคือก็ประโยชน์ได้แล้วเซวิซาเวดาตากิตากรดไข่นะไม่พอกันเนี่ยพอลอสุโปฟาวาดมาแล้วตากิไข่พอคนเนี่ยพอเราวันลุกันหน้าตากจอดแต่ไข่บาเขาจะตัดด้วยตายาแล้วอิรักอเมริกาไปเจอเนี่ยละ
They were worried that a big war might start. The situation felt dangerous.
นะว่าสิทธิพันธ์เราว่าเขาก็พูดสิทธิพันธ์ที่ก็จะบากูบาไกเราแล้วบาสิตัดด้วยพัดโดนเนี่ยก็จะรอซะสินะนักเรียนเราแล้วตาอุตสาหใครนมีแต่ละอัลลอฮ์ลีนะ the situation felt very dangerous นะคนเราพอเขาว่าตัวบ้านแล้วตาอุตสาหใครมีแต่ละอัลลอฮ์ลีเราเพื่อพาโดนนี่ละ
And people were afraid of what would happen next. However, the story took a surprising turn.
นะคนเราพอเขาก็พูดสิทธิพันธ์เราพอกันยอดสิทธิพันธ์เราบากูบาโกแล้วตาแค่เกล้าซะข้าชุนยันนี่ดีเลยนะดีเลยกันเนี่ยนะ the story took surprise turn nó ta lấy ta cho có một cuộc gọi ta bây giờ chơi ta phim đó story này đã hết kỳ chơi cái đó sao là cái bà đi cái chỗ mua này tụi mình là bà đó
Words about war changed into words about peace in a very short time.
nó ta có tô là mi về đã ta đưa về này ta đưa ta ya về này cái cho ta lấy cái sao lỡ ta mi ta khử lỡ ta chơi ta phư qua bùi này là
On Friday, the message was clear and strong. President Donald Trump spoke.
nó về đã lỡ mi giờ này mà hắn này nó the message was clear and strong à về đã có Donald Trump là có tô thôi về đã ta xí po đó very strong comment đó chu po blah blah po xí po này là
About the conflict. He said that he did not want a ceasefire.
nó phải là mi giờ này mà hắn này đó về có Donald Trump về đã là về đi bật đồ mà đã tập tụi ta đưa ta ya và mình tết ta cái đồ lên này nó lấy ta tụi ta ya chơi đó bật đồ mà ta đưa bao nhiêu đấy à về đồ mà về đã tập tụi ta đưa ta ya và đó về đã nào về đã là
He believed that when a country is fighting an enemy, it should not stop until the job is finished.
nó về đã không là nào về đã là chỉ có là bật đưa ta chơi đó cái này đó tôi lúc mà ta đưa à vì mà ta đưa mà đưa ta đưa ta ya này có bảo vi mà đã bảo mà này là à không nào về đã là không đó thôi là tôi lúc mà sẽ phải bảo mà ta đưa ta ya này vi về này là
He wanted to keep the pressure on Iran.
I'm not 20 anymore. I'm
No,
47. I do articulation training for 9 minutes a day. Now my thoughts come out clean, and my boss asks.
Everyone
Baka le po irascible ne pressure out of it ko Donald Trump. Na baka le ta duta ya chou do we ne.
expected the conflict to grow bigger. But by Monday, the situation was completely different.
No, whether what I choke more whether let that do that ya get heck do that true don't need the alone in the law. Now, permitted in it. Now, the kid a pele mu. Now, pele madi, neither where cocodona track I could do on it. Now, shot a leg with her. Now, President stood before the large crown in Tennessee. Now, check that.
President Trump stood before a large crowd in Tennessee.
Now, where the cocodona track, shot over the head with her. Come on, have it at Tennessee. Now, let come the granted come a clap in a shirt or a potato with a D.
He shared a new and positive message. He told the people that Iran wanted to make peace.
No, when in the terror that the color get a positive message. No, come not that color that goes all a mood the car. No, that's all I'm going to tell you. Then, Iraq in Iraq near David. I was about take lower that come a do my weather, Takoto, that Tamita Kunila, come out ceasefire at Edo Patuita Yanilla.
He said that he believed they could reach a deal very soon.
No, what it all went now, whether come in the Irame Patuita that way, they come on Donald a plan. Now, Coco Donald Trump with clever by the command whether a clear show cleanilla.
He even told the crowd that they were going to get it done.
Now, I would tell that way they go back, my we. I would tell that whether come the typical polar that way about my weather, winning, come a deal gun, or my deal, everything now. Naki Coco Donald try to wap out, no, let us so test me what gonna make a deal in the where look what glad about passing of what I got one. Let me clue what me now.
This sudden change confused many people. How could the situation shift from a possible war to a
no, come that Peter market outside away shift, no, chotless as a clear man that do that, yeah, where the heck get away the chula time with a culeta planet. Double aga choco moeda, le 72 hours. The Nuichi Kinara top when get us like City land of a
possible peace deal in only 72 hours. The world was surprised by this fast change in tone. This shift showed how quickly global politics can move.
No, hold up, I got surprise that come out that winner. About chocolate a clear deal, no, hold up, global weather. Material cost and how could all plan it out, whether come up what about Miller. That way, they go by chocolate a clear that global politics, but Miller move that are very quick now. Come out chocolate was a Paklian land,
One moment, countries are preparing for a fight. The next moment, they are looking for a way to sit at a table and talk.
I'm not going to pay up with the Chupone, come out, Barrek later, like what could do that, Lobolom, like come out, could do that, Ayabaya, Nakira, the Chupoga, K. Honey, Tesco, like a chin or a Tesco, Bacala, Tesco, Legion, Paco Gada. I will admit that the color, Waga Bibu Kuno Bibu Chakalo, anymore.
The goal of this story is to understand why this happened.
No, come on. Taki Mupra, le Taket outside, le Bakataki when it is all Pakan Napper, let get outside, eh?
We want to look at the secret messages and the help from other countries.
Na Paco Quaida, the secret message, not Gita Clota, Cochola, a beer, Kusu the Pando. The mature let have that should tickle, Gazi, my cover for mature, a puller, or let tickle. Kibi, Copocopati, no, but Bakwada, Pasi the Pane.
We want to see how the fear of war pushed both sides to look for a better solution.
No, but come up at to a no, whether that do that ya in a taco to a kick a baller, no, taco who whether no, the better solution. Come up who that are so like Ridoro. Look, kick baller in it. No.
The main question is whether a deal can really stop the fighting.
Not that sequa could say to $100, whether $100 that do that yavan in a common could whether deal in it up, but quite a deal with a common pakasi ko to wedi le pak ma reclear di le hanera pak check kana ro no bam ne le ga ba akle ko to da click di le ne ro up ta di we patu ta ka si di le na pak reclear di le ne ro pak kana ro
We will explore how these leaders tried to move away from violence and
no khoda khe kana pak te phla ro ne si ba kha wa da le no khona si da pha ye bam ne le wa da class haji wa da violence no ta si ta kwa tai lo chu ki si da pha ro ke le wa da chu ta mi ta khwa kle ne le
toward an agreement.
no le chu ta
It is a story about how fast things can change when the world is on the edge of a major conflict.
na ta khai na ke ro da ta kha la pha lo la ya ba ne phe le ho ko si da pha wa da la ta du ta ya me ki be mi te no kam no o le de de o le se pu ko ne le to da na ka ne ka phu la la na ki da khe khe ne da le ta ba ki ku ya che ne ba mi le ta ke ra sa click la le kam no ka chot le chu ta mu ta khu le ne da ba ke na sa ba ke che ka na da
We will see how secret plans and outside help kept the peace. This is not just a story about two countries.
no we
It
ne
is
ne
a
ba ko
story about how fear can lead to sudden, important changes in how nations act.
no khai ne da ta ke ta klo le ke ra sa na ba kwa se ko ti ko lo le ta ka po ba se ba no no to mi ti ko ki bi ti bi ti ko ki bi la me da Iraq da Israel Iraq da America ba no ke ra ta ba thwa ba kha ti ko ga si fa ne do ke ne da ba ko kwa sa kwa ba ne ti ko si fa ne ka ma ba di le we will discover if this peace is real no ko da ba ko kwa sa kwa ta mu ta khu we ne a ka mi da ta chu phu a me me a ka mi ta no ko si ya ne da ba ke check na do
We will discover if this peace is real or just a temporary pause in a much longer struggle. The path to finding a deal instead of starting a fight is difficult, but it is a journey that changes.
no ko me da ta phi ta ma ta ko lo ti ko ki bi da cha lo ko tin ne da we da a ko mo da cha ra sa le ta du ta ya da me da ta ko ta khe pha do na ki la khe da journey clear ga bo le ka chot le wa da chu
Everything.
ka chot le da ko mi de no
The big threat. The situation between the United States and Iran became
no pe me kwa da me da big threat na ka ta ma pli pha do da ka no le ti ko ki bi a be che no America ta pa su pa sa da le Iraq pho ko no we da me da ta le no the between United States and Iraq became very dangerous in short term no le ta chok to phu ko pu le da ti ko ki bi ba ke la no ta lo pli lo phu pha do nya mo ko me ne di le ne
very dangerous in a short time. President Trump decided that he needed to send a very strong message to the Iranian government.
no we da ko da na thone da we chat te da le ki hi lo we da messi lo chu a we da pa Irania a ba do ko ti pha wu ni a ti ko ti pha wu ni lo do hi we da le national warning kom no da ta hi pa lo le ki te mi te na fa na warning lo no we da a ko na hi pa lo we da pa pa Iraq phu ti pha no
He gave the nation a final warning. This was an ultimatum that gave them exactly 48 hours to change their behavior.
kom no da hi lo we da ta le pwen na rem go le 48 hour le lui chi khona ria to pu ne da kom ne da hi we da ta one ni we da chu Iraq pho le ka chot le we da a behavior a ta pa su pa sa si da pha ne ne la kom no da Iran ne da ka ba chot le da chu mo no ka ba ama se ne ka ba chot le ma da chot le ba de put tra ka pu lo ne ne a we ne do this short period
This short period of time was meant to show that the United States was ready to act quickly.
no kom ne da we kom ne da ta ri la te we di ne kom ne le do te we da America ne da lo a we da te ka to sa li me ba le ba ready le ba da le cha da click na cha da si la we ne America de e do te we di ne mo
If Iran did not listen. The main focus of this threat was the Strait of Hormuz. This narrow path of water is one of the most important places in
da le hormone ne me we da clear ka le a ke da international ho ku do de be nya a clear shipping site no we da so me pa la here da ho ku do de hi so no a le da le hormone no we da straight path awe tono ko da phine ba nu le ko bok khele na ka ba le phine la aku da ta lo we le harmons ne awe khoplo le Iran ne pe kha we da khu ne da so ta ki we ne pa khu na ko America ne ko ne do le ta ka ba o ra ki clear we ne la ma khu ne da community da pe do te da le community ne ta we ne ka ba o ra ki this narrow path of water is one of the most important place akamla ta ki mo pa we ne do te da ta lo we ne mi ta la red do te le ta du ta ya blo nya yi le America du we ne
in the entire world.
Do mi se ko ta red do le ta lo we ne khop lo so dol pla nya kho ko dol pla ne ba so ne khop lo so ha ro ba chhe da ta lo to ne lo khu ne ta lo to ne ba ka da Iraq da Iran no akon do ta ki no ki tre sam tra da bi bu cha ka ne na ki agle pa khu da America di la ne pe ke che ka na sa ko ne lo
Almost 20% of all the oil that the world uses every day must pass through this area.
Come on, hoko dor planya suwe da we suwe ne kichi perse ko minute la come every day. Come on da we me pe ne da 20% la ko kla dor planya da so ne la cha pau la come do le ba pe me te ne ta lo we ko lo ta lo da ko le harmos ko ta ne e me ra so klu phado dot so the kind of ta jo le mu ko pha pho the ya ka ba le ko lo da pol le ta kha ne la pol le harmo klo ta ka chu ka ne i pho la ko ne a we ne ta ta du ta ja le ke ra ta le pa ku we ta we ne la na ko ne da if the water path were closed
if the water path were closed, the global economy would suffer a major shock because energy prices would rise very.
No, ko da ta lem ko le ta la harmos ngwa ne ame pe ne na awe de ke tho we da ta ko ta khe pha do le ko dol plo ja le ba kwa chen me da so pui ne ko tho we da click ni la ko da the United States want to make sure that's the flow of oil na pa ke check na da
very fast. The United States wanted to make sure that the flow of oil remained free and safe for all ships.
No, ko na edo da America edo da le ko na so ta le ko bola ta le ta ki pin ne na ko na aka ba se blade aka ba save da le ta le ta ki khel ke chia ko ne la ye chomo da la pu ne pa ka thread da ko no ko da ba ma pli ma pa edo ma ko ma khe da ko na ta ki we ta du de ya ne pa khu si ko da ko lo I do te da le Iran ne da chomo da a story la ga kha ba ko ma lo da kha de a te ba na ke le pa pha da story de kha ne pa si nya le ko da ba si Iran da edo ma pli ma pu da ho ko klo le ta pe wa da so klo we na pa si nya ba ko da America ne ko lu da ji ti nya ba na
Because of this, the warning was very serious. If the Iranian government did not open the path within the 48 hours, the United States promised to take action.
Now, come in America, come on, Luigi, Conaria Topuni. Rasi the Pai, now Irasi the Pai, up to Wasi the Pa, made the auto weather clear way by ne, not that so churta way by the ne, American Cachara weather, Peter Manilone, no?
The specific threat was to target and destroy Iran's civilian power plants.
No, hold it all, where Devashin, no. Could America David come on threat whether target whether like a Mahaga by Rapo, Miu Pachak look like a power plants now. A community, you told that as a poga law, color kitchen.
These plants provide electricity to millions of people in cities across the country.
Now, Bakalan plants that through the plants that get these are tattoo. See, that Lord Canilla. Now, where the law went in there, community, that plants the canine are whether screw it a meal patch up with dog we ya or let's got dog be yellow. I couldn't, but me Mahaga when it did Bado, Tico dog be yellow.
If these places were bombed, it would cause a total loss of power.
No, I couldn't tell away in it. America military lower boon it bomb it community Kela kitchen move Pachakela kitchen a lot no.
And create a massive disaster for the people living there.
No do Dakota can do Domula or the Pinity Pavanilla.
This threat was designed to pressure the leadership in Iran to make a choice.
ดอกคนเราแล้วแต่มาปลีมาพลุตเต็ดใครในดอกเวดาเอโดเตเวดาแล้วคอมมิวนิเอโดมานิชเวดาอิรักอัปโดปาติปาแล้วก็มคุเทดาตะคุเทลากิกเตเนาะ
It forced both nations to stand right at the edge of a major conflict.
เนาะดอกเวดาเอเดนามาชูเราเวดาปาคิกปาเลยล่ะแล้วก็เฮดดูเวดาชูตาดูตายาa major conflict เนาะคอมมิวนิเอโดชูตาดูตายาคอมมิวนิเอโดแล้ว age เนาะคอมมิวนิเอโดเอาเลยตาโจคิลิมอก็ไม่แต่บาดเจ็บดูตาดูตายาเนี่ยก็ดูก็ปรุละจานี่ละมั้งเนาะ
The tension was very high, and the world was watching to see what would happen next.
เนาะคนเนี่ยเราตาบากีกูเวเดชูรอตาปีเชเวเดชูรอรู้ละดอกก็ดอกตะเบียเนี่ยกว่าเวดาเนาะกว่าเวดาไอ้ดิตาชุนยาเนี่ยตาเกะรอซาดีเลยเนาะเขาก็ดอกเนี่ยกว่าเวดาเนี่ยละ
The leaders in Washington believed that this tough approach was the only way to make the Iranian government listen.
เนาะเขาเนี่ยเราคนน่ะแล้ววอชิงตันเนาะแล้วว่าเฮาส์เดลพันเนี่ยเราอเมริกาไปดูว่าคนน่ะเดลพันเนี่ยเราไว้เมรักเล็ดค่าแล้วเตอร์เล็ดค่าแล้วเขาเนี่ยเรา force ก็เราตาฮิวดาตาช็อตนี่เว้ยเนี่ยเราเมรักเล็ดบุลดิสโลปาเอเรียกาเวปาอิริเนียนเนาะปาอิริเนียปาอิราพูดสิพันเนี่ยอัปโดว่าสิพันเนี่ยแล้วก็ดูกันหนาเวดาเนาะอเมริกาอ่ะขอละมั้งเขาเนี่ยอเมริกาฮิลาตักเลยดินาเวดาแล้วปาอิริยาพูปาอิริยาเขาเนี่ยปาอิราคนน่ะสิพันก็ดูกันหนาเวดาเนี่ยละ
However, this strategy also meant that a mistake could start a full war.
เนาะคนเราแล้วตา strategy ตาเรตาเลตา play ไว้ไหนก็ได้ดอกเกรสิก็คำนั้นดอกความไม่ตะกันหนาวันนี้ดอกเกรกิเวดาตะก็ตาแค่ mistake พัดดูค่ะเลยกันนู่นแล้วเวดาชูตาดูพัดตาดูอปูนี่ละ
Both sides were watching the clock as the 48 hours slowly ticked away.
เนาะดอกขี้ก็ไปเลยเนี่ยดอกเวดากว่าเวดาตาเชื่อกันตอนนี้ละแล้วคำนั้นแล้ว48 hour แล้วลุชิคอนอะไรตอปูนี่นี่แต่ก็ปาก็ปาดกว่าแล้วตาเชื่อกันตอนละเนาะคำนั้นละตาเชื่อกันตอนบามันเลยยาวละคำนั้นนี่
The atmosphere was filled with fear because nobody knew if the situation would end in a peace deal or a terrible attack.
เนาะดอกเพื่อนเนี่ยตะก็ปาได้คบกันแล้วก็ปาสิญญาเนาะบ่าวคำนั้นละตาอุตส่าห์ได้มีปาชั่วโมงเลยมีก็ดูเวดาชูก็ดูเวดาชูแต่ไม่ตาคืออ่ะวิธีมีเขาเรียกอเมริกากับเปื่ออิรักกับเปื่อเนี่ยด้วยปาชั่วโมงปาโคกว่าเราหมอเนาะ
The threat of destroying infrastructure made the stakes much higher than they had ever been before. This period of time was a test of nerves for both countries.
เนาะเขาไม่ได้ด่าเป็นไม่ได้เลยด่าเล็กขี้กระเดินเลยด่าไว้ด้วยเฮ็ดด้วยด่าชูเปลี่ยนจีบไว้ก่อนละเนาะอ่ะก็ด่าขี้กระปาเลยเนี่ยด่าเป็นเช่นเนี่ยด่าบากีกุนี่เนี่ยชูรอดด้วยด่าแล้วด่าด้วยด่ายันเนี่ยด้วยด่าเนี่ยละเนาะเว้นเนี่ยเขาไม่ได้ด่าอัตชอนอะไรป่าวเนี่ยนะเอาไว้ด่าอเมริกาฮิวานี่นะกิเลนปาตะโดกันนะวะเนาะกิเลนปาตะกิเรดี้ซะจีละเนาะคนด่าไปก็เช็คกันนะสักว่า
It was a clear example of how quickly words can turn into a dangerous reality when two powerful nations do not agree.
เนาะคนนั้นเพลคอมเมนต์เอาไว้ในฮีเวดาคอมเมนต์เอโดเตเวดาแล้วเพลที่ก่อนเราตัดสุดตากมอพัดดูขี้บิดไม่จะดูกันน่าหลวงสันนี่เอาไว้ในให้จูเวดาตาก็ตาแค่แล้วก็ดอลเพลย์เนาะเอาไว้ให้เกิดให้จูเราตาลบลีตาบาอยู่แบบว่าเราก็ดอลเพลย์เนี่ยซีเวดานี่ละอันโดนเนี่ยที่ก่อนแล้วคือชูบ้าชูขี้บิดไม่อีหลวงสันนี่เนาะไม่เลยที่ก่อนคืออัพโพดีแต่อีกก็รู้บ้างเนาะไม่ที่ก่อนแล้วอุดาจูเราก็มอขี้บิดไม่อีหลวงสันนี่ให้จูเวดาก็ดอลเพลย์ตากี่ก็ซีล้อเนี่ยเอาไว้ในแต่ละเป็นลบเป็นมาเป็นสิ่งนี้บ้างเลยเอาไว้ตากี่ไว้ยังผม
This is a chat GPT for Airbnb. This new income assistant is trained to find you.
Everyone waited to see if the threat would lead to a change in policy.
เนาะเวลาเขาไม่ได้พักกู้เนาะก็ได้โคกว่าเวลาเขาไม่ได้ let's try ไว้ในเมกmove ก็ช็อตเลี้ยซะชูตาเนาะเขาไม่ได้ a policy ก็ช็อตเลี้ยซะค่ะมีเมกก็เลเวลาชูตา no ta bagi gu ta du kamu ta conflict no conflict ni na ko do ro ha no ta bagi gu ta picture ni ka a ro ni da pa a ga khu kwa da ni la
policy, or if the conflict would grow even larger. 3. Secret meetings. During the tense 48 hours after the warning, everything felt very serious.
no pela ta chot ni wa da 48 hour we lo ki ni da na pa ko da la secret meeting na ta tilo ta pa ko da ta khu su pu no wa da everything felt very serious da ta comedy ni da plot wa da le tu ba le ke da ta serious เนี่ยเขามาตานอกก่อนก็ละแค่ๆดิจะมีละเกมจะมีละตาเกมลูกเว้ยละบ่เนาะ
While the world watched the news, a different process was happening behind the scenes.
เนาะเขาเราเพิ่นเล็บว่ากกว่าเว้ยล่ะเนาะว่ากกว่าเว้ยล่ะตาก็สอเชื่อก็ต่อนี่ดอกเขามีดอก behind the scene นี่ดอกตากีตากลัวแล้วเรกเลยแต่ให้เกียรติตาอู่เว้ยด่าเนาะ
Important messages started to move between the United States and Iran.
เนาะตาก็สอแล้วอารีดูสิผ่านเนาะตาตากลัวแล้วรีดูสิผ่านนี่จ้าทอเสือตาชูอเมริกาดออิรักเบเจอร์นี่ล่ะเนาะเขามีนี่ดอกที่ก็คิดแบบตาก็จอแล้วอารีดูสิผ่านนี่ล่ะเว้ยด่า
These were not public speeches or loud announcements.
เนาะตาเว้ยนี่ตาบัดตาเตอแล้วกำเนิดกล้าวะเราตาบ่บารารอดูมือบ่า
Instead, they were quiet, private communications meant
เอาเวลาตากีตากลัวสิบานี่บัดตาเตอแล้วตาคือสิบุดตาเตียบ่พูดนี่ล่ะ
to stop a war before it could start.
เนาะคุณตากีตากลัวน่ะตาเตสกวยดาดิโซเลตากุตุยดาตาดุตายาเนาะดิโซเลตาดุตายาสิเกตหาเกียก็
President Trump told the public that his team was already talking to a respected leader inside the Iranian government.
เนาะเวลาก็กดน่ะเทรนเตลาเวลาเขามีดอเอาเวลาอเมริกาไปดูภาษีผ่านดาปะพลาตาปาลิปาเกตาปาลิปาปุยเวลาไปอิราโพลิผ่านเนาะเวลาไปอิริยาไปดูภาษีผ่านเนาะเอาเวลาเขามีเรื่อง discussion ปุ่นนี่ดอเอาเวลาก็กดน่ะเทรนตูบาเวลาแล้วเขามีดอตะเคลเคชินนี่ดอ discussion นี่ดอเวตาเกตเราตะเลตามือตาคือก่อนนี่ดอตอนน่ะเทรนตูบาเวลาแล้วเขามีดอก็กดน่ะเทรนนี่ดอตูบาเวลา confident ละมั้งเขามีดอกระสุกระสะเขามีดอกระละ
He felt confident that these discussions could lead to a peaceful solution. He wanted the world to know that a deal was possible if both sides were willing to listen.
นะคนเราก็คนนั้นเทรดเตอร์ดาแล้วเขามีดอเอโดดาแล้วแต่เตสกูเวนี่ขี้เกให้โจดาตาเนาะเกให้โจดาตาดกนะขี้กะปาเลยเนาะเกให้โจดา good deal กันว่าตาเรตาเตสกูแล้วกิกเตเลปะขี้กะปาเลยไม่ดกนะนี่ดอเขามีดอเอาไว้ก็มีดาตาเซอร์กิกเตกันเลยล่ะ however the situation
However, the situation was not simple.
เนาะดีเลยกันนี่ดอตาอุตส่าห์ไว้ได้มีตาเลยย่อๆกันดาวะ
At the same time that Trump spoke about these talks, the Iranian government told a very different story.
เนาะเพิ่นดอเวลาคำนวณดิโซเลตาเตสโกเวนี่ดอก็คนนั้นเทรเอโดเตดาอะดีลเวนี่ดออะตมีจันนี่ป่ะเนาะก็คนนั้นเตดาเลปเตดาตมีดาตาจีคอมเมนต์Iranian government เนี่ยเตตากีดากลตมีดาตาจีละคอมเมนต์อะดีลนี่ดออะเตบาลัวซาบะคอมเมนต์นี่เนาะ
They publicly denied that any negotiations were happening. The speaker of the Iranian parliament went to the media to say that there were no secret meetings at all.
เนาะคนนี้ดอเพิ่นนี่เนาะเป็นไม่เตเลตาก็โตเลเหลือจอนี่ดอเอาไว้เอาไว้ดาIraq government เราไม่เกิดเตวดาเขาไม่ดาตาอุปเคเลยก็จะตัดเตสกุสิผ่านนี่ดอ deny เวดานี่ล่ะเนาะdeny เวซาดอเขาไม่ได้ดอว่าอิรักผู้สิผ่านตุลัววะดอเลกล้านี่ดอไปอิรักผู้ว่าก็โตดาเปิดกะเนาะบลอดโดดกันเนี่ยเตวดาเลเตเขาดา
Iranian
เล
parliament went to the media to say that there were no secret meetings at all.
เนาะเตเราเวดาเลเขาไม่ได้ดอ permitted that to like coco don't have caco ta put that test go to not me no secret no come no meeting no secret meeting era come ta put that to not me no and it third anymore.
He suggested that the American claims were just a way to look strong. In pub
now come on tale do test the panera American do Iraq to the pen to America ted and in the do tell the come plow that is American plug to bachu the abba janimimo.
Iran wanted to show that they were not afraid and that they would not talk to their enemy.
Now whether come Iran to tell the test the pan how do Iran do back come by reported to play America wa the palos are the test go adu adawa now by reported shayla.
This public disagreement made many people confused about what was truly happening.
Now, for a letter, Usadia, Hunida, Papa Ganida, Sugidi, Sagda, Coffee, Sa Bagi with me, Tamita, Tonon, me, Deal Halame, Taupu, to Holiday, Janemo, now.
Is there really a plan for peace?
Metareta Cleono, Lepa Kamata Huda.
Or is the talk just a game?
In
high-level politics, public words and private actions are often two very different things. While the Iranian officials said no to the media, secret messages were still passing back and forth between the two nations.
Tausanera churo, Nakira let Tico Kibi up Genera, Messi Tagita Clothy the Patacoti the Padichur, Lotale, Tico Kibi, Agachudu, Ara Runilla, the Mitten now.
These silent conversations were the only thing keeping the peace. Both sides knew that a full conflict would be a disaster for everyone involved.
Kibi data gita chloride so much me leta gita chloride kera than dila in it. Tico Kibi that thing I do to lot. I'm no like kera vale. Tagamula got Paku Wakule, Wako at a Paku Wakule, disaster, not disaster, that kera that way in it. Tico Kibi, I think I get a lot. Now, what I got to see now,
Therefore, even though they claimed to be enemies in the light of day, they were acting like partners in.
Now, but me quite I gave the enemies. Nakira, I mean, let's say I get over that at this college, le come let the either lad day now. I come on lad, come on, let me name Solagi. I could not see the panada. I mean, man, I get delay in it. Come in that keep winning it.
In the shadows.
Listen, it's called Connect Team, and it's insane. I don't do schedules or timesheets manually anymore. And it works? Oh.
The secret nature of these meetings allowed both leaders to save.
No, come on, let back secret nature. No, come on, that Kufu at the Tilo Zawene, and I hear that I quit a kick a pallet, no, safe no, civilians, no.
Face. It gave them a way to discuss difficult topics without making their people angry.
No, hold on, whether come in keep you here a lot of Tesacora, come in Tesacora, Talagita, this will last you to get away that Quaconosi the past Tasudo political, not a kick about Government America Tibo composite Sapira, not Iratibo composite Sapira that do Canada, a revered deal in a packet check another.
It is common for countries in conflict to use this method.
No, Conora, whether I mean whether a Kamala meta, Muchimogor, color, Commoda, Ticosi, Pasueda, Luclea way. Come out to do a Yarkana, Mukera, and a suit me whether the Tipo Copulva, Sapira, a Irapo Pira, whether America, America, Tipo Copula, Mira, whether the Kotana, or Simisi, but I do the Yagonida. I will pursue a mess away. Now, Mikola, Takita, very popular.
By keeping things quiet, they can explore options without the pressure of.
No, come on, that way, BB Bebene, this will explore, come on, my plata, mapu para weather, option without pressure, come on, Tapita Malata power that come on, pressure, mamma. No, the pressure and come on. Tagani ba ki ba kon me tele ba nyok don ne. No, the match who ni ba nyawa.
Public opinion. The truth is that the path to peace is rarely straight.
No. Kom no da ta me ta to no ne na kle chu ta mu ta khu ne da me ta la ko khe do ma ne la.
It is built on small, hidden steps taken by people who do not want the world to burn. Even when a government says no to the cameras, the work for peace often continues in private rooms.
No, ko da ba mi ba kwa ge le ta du ta ya we de na ko mo da ko na si de pa me de pla do na ke le no social media bu le ati lo za me ge ko mo le ta ko mu a me nya me ge na tho bo ne da le private rooms no le takusu at the Canada was it party lo da no ma wa da media now this secret media was the first now
These secret meetings were the first real step away from a big war, even if neither side was ready to admit it to the world just yet.
no pe ma kwa na di lai ge pe ma kwa ta du di so ta su de ke ha ta de ga pa ki pu ya de da ma da come on la a su de le tu da la ta du pha do de ga ko ne da a me da first state ka na me da chok de da ka le ti ko ki be ya ma ba da secret message ta kai no
4. Friends that help. When two countries are very angry with each other, it is
na ko ra ke da ti ko we da ko ra ti ko be le sa o ma che da me te le ta di ki pe ba jin pe le ti ko ki be i ge we da ta su do sa phlo che to ni ko ra difficult to talk directly ko ra ti ko ki be ne da United States da Iran da ke du ke da lo ti le ko ra na ki da pa we da ta pu na pa we da ti ko we da be so mu di be ta ji mi sa ba pa ke che ka na do na
difficult to talk directly. The United States and Iran were in this exact situation. Because they did not trust each other, they could not sit at the same table.
da la America ra Iran ne da ko me du da me pa da ta na lo sa da ga ta na lo sa ba do te do chin no le no we da chong ko to plo ko ba pa ki pu ne ti ko ki be ne
However, they needed a way to share their ideas without starting a war.
Ang di le ga na ka ba khu da kle di so le ka ba no ba ka ba share we da ka ba hi lo kho hi no we da ta ti di pa le at to lo le ta du da ya ko mo le to lo le ta du da ya ba ko mo le ta te so ko ne kle ka ba we ka ba khu kle mo
This is where other nations began to play a very important role.
no we da ko ne da we le ta we ya ko na other nation big ti ko la go ga se pa ne ka ba cha tho no ka ba cha tho da ro ta phi ta ma we ne lo no ko mo ne da kwa do de se ba ti ko la da po pa ne ka ba sa ra ma da de mi mi ne lo di so le ta ki pi ti ko ki be ka khu ne da so la gi de ne
Countries like Pakistan, Turkey, Egypt, and Oman acted as messengers between the two sides.
no ti ko la me da mu ko le de la ti ko la ko ran ko Turkey ya or Egypt ya Oman na ti ko se de pa ne da we da cha tho re kle we da hi we da ta ka cho le e do kom na chue da ta ka cho le a gi ki ka pa le ti ko ki be ya o mo
These nations wanted to stop the conflict before it became too large for
na ko ra ti ko le mu ko te se de pa ne da we e do we da le ta du da ya ta ba gi ko pa tu ya da su tu le ta du da ya pha do de ya ko ne
everyone to control. Pakistan was especially worried about the tension.
no lo cha cha la Pakistan ne ba ko ba ko ra do ma no le ta ba gi le ta picture ka de we me pa la ba ko ba ko ra ag de la Pakistan la
It shares a border with Iran and relies on the Strait of Hormuz for its
controller we da me we da ba ga le se ni da lo sa do share a we da share we da mu ko harmon no clear to mu ko le ti ka sa ti narrow path no ti ki chu po le ki chu we ni controller Pakistan ne ba da ta khuda so phi ne si ko ko ne da a we da ta di ya me ke da da Pakistan ba do phan ni la
energy. In fact, 90% of the oil that Pakistan needs passes through that specific water path. If the strait closed, Pakistan would face a major economic crisis.
No, come on, 90% in a come on, Papa Laste, Papa Kista put it on. I hear that so it so. La Kua Tia gonna so near 90% let alone. I call it allow any me pick up where Pazanida, we get out a got a capan do Pamula, Papa Kista put it pagonilla.
Because of this, Pakistan had a strong reason to help find a peaceful solution.
No, let Tagia, Honeda, Cobbler Tagi, Pacona, Pakistan, Cleture party, so Takuda Pocket or Papa Kista, they take it about Pactanilla, Bamula, meditate about it, and make other part of the Bado Pakistan, Panilla.
They wanted to keep the trade routes open and prevent a regional disaster. To help the process, Pakistan offered to host a big meeting where representatives from both sides could.
No, Honeda, let Tagia, Honeda, where Pakistan, they were Comrade Lecture Pacta, this or Catulu, no, Taupo, Latico, key bill, like Etilo Danida, now Pakistan, they lecture weather, now like a whole meeting,
finally speak. This was a significant step toward peace.
Now we made that show the color Kachara, away comment and made the color Comrade made a Huta Pua Cotil Camo, maintaining.
It provided a safe space for the two countries to share their demands without the pressure of a public debate.
No, come we made that color coming in a tico away the Kibilla, Metilo that made a color share with a hair. No, come Ati Tabagi Guta, Balo Batedilla, Commodore, Metalagi, the color public debate, Lama, Commodore, Dash, blah, blah, blah. No?
The United States also showed interest in this plan. There were discussions about the possible involvement of Vice President J.D. Vance in these meetings.
No, Commodore, let do America TV that limit a leg in la Coda President J.D. Vance in the weather in Paku, where I let down poor Waynilla.
His presence would show that the United States was serious about finding a real agreement.
No, Honeda, Wepa Plata, where the Commodore, the America in Luba, no, the real agreement. No, Commodore America Plata, Commodore, Edo Tiveda, Takuda, Edo Tiveda, Tagita, Lola, but there's a Conida, Kamani, Tasaloblo, Kikapal, in the Commodore, America, the Edwin and Janela.
By using these friendly countries as messengers, both the United States and Iran could communicate their needs safely.
No, la Honeda, la Basu, whether no, Tico, Comrade Tico, la Tico the bean, and get over a friendly, la a community, a Gera Kukuni, a Kuk Tico Lomo, Commodore by the Pakistan, share with a border cannon. Now made a Commodore away mirrored a Pakistan, Classer as well, but keep winning it. Communicate no that's go bata la apu play na sirkira ta kota khedgia go sirkira ta dota murgia go ni da awen ni a go mi da ta khala comment da glagi te lama is the best choice lama no.
The messengers could explain the warnings and the requests clearly.
No message ta ta klota ko chol padi bata te lot lotila share na share po
which helped to lower the temperature of the conflict. Without these friends acting as a bridge, it would have been much harder for the two.
Da we get a do damu doni ani dialonilla no it's more harder for the two leaders to consider a deal now.
Leaders to consider a deal. The help from these nations showed how important diplomacy can be when the world is on the edge of a fight.
No, come on, read kind of get a man logi now. Pella Hoko dot come on, Tico, Kibi ilo, the children, a pella. No scorga che c'è da che da turbulo ne che tesco da ga che da da ta do ta te no che da ta da kal ho kudople come mette ne da chung ma ba keep you ilo asa da lo asa na ke da ba ko chi pot be ge chet da e do la ta khu da pho ko tho na ge chet da comment le te da be me da do da te kha le ho ko dop le a ho la mo.
While the public speeches were still full of tension
Pele pa ke te da le pele pa te ko da ti ko ho te ko me ko na pa te ko da che da pre da ta pi che ko da ne
and strong language, the work done in the background by these four countries was
no pele ti ko ki be te ko da le ka du ga ya che da ti ko lui be mu ko da ti ko le ye la mu ko na lui be ne kle se we da le di so le ta khu da pho no ta khu da pho ta le lo pi lo phu de pa ne ke si de ke ra sa de ke me ga ke ra le ta mi ta khu ko na ti ko lui be le kle che da kwa ka de da ko
was vital. It turned a dangerous situation into a possible path for negotiation. Through these secret channels, the messages moved back and forth every single day.
no le ta ge dia khu de da ti ko si de pa no wa chhe ta ko cho ko mi ne da le Iraq la le America da ke ra we da ti ko lui be da ke ra we da no di so le ta tu ta ya si ke tho de ke ya ko ne da no ta ko cho ne da ba ta chhe ko mi ni de ne la.
This quiet work by Pakistan and its neighbors became the best hope for avoiding a war that nobody truly wanted.
No ko ne da we Pakistan na ko da ke che the we da kle che da di so le da we da kha le pa de che mu la no ga ta tu ta ya si ke tho de ke ya ko ne da ko me da we la Pakistan ne ke che the we da ne la.
Proved that even when two enemies cannot look at each other, they can still find a way to talk if they have the right friends to help them.
No ko ne da we mi we da kha le pele ti ko ki be ne le kwa lo sa de mu ba ka pu lo sa ne ne no ko no ne mi khu the we da na sko la ba mo ne na sko la ba ne na ke kle che we da di so le ba ki a si ti lo sa ko ne da if you have a right friends na ko ne mi da ti sko le a ba ne da ke kle che we di so le tai lo chi ki lo sa si de ke tha ko ne la no pa te da di le phat ho nya na we da kha de to wa ma to lo di ba na me pre min ni pre se ka le te da ya ba le ba na we da we na pa ke te ba je te lo na ko da pa ke te na we pe le te da le lesson 4 na lesson 5 lesson 6 o te da le lesson 8 na a ko da wo di khu kha di e lui kha di je khu nui kho na wo de da lui kha di ko da ke che ka na te le ke mi chi na che che wa ki wa kwa da po le lo ji lo bu ko no ga de na pa ke che ka na te ki a we da na yi ta te du te ku do du na ki la che kwa le pa comment da pa ke do ka na tu la ka te ne to hi ba ko da ji te hi ba ji te la ga ka na ko da li so te ke ja u ta ki ta klo da ji ti le no pa comment lo te ka te ba ko ni da je te hi ba na ki ta ke de pe me ka na tu la ka te ne da pa ko ma lo ne da do du na le ti ko ba je phe ta ko da ke o ro ne da ba ne ti ko te ba he pa khu di le ne da pa ke si nya a ra ba na di le ge na pa ke ti le ka le ko su de ta su de na ya be ko pho la ko da ta su ku sa ku ta su mi sa mi ta ku ta ko da po ne mi ya po ke ko club do ta che si le ha ra to na re ne lo mo ya sho ke pa ko su le da sho ke ko American ne ke w